In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel room online in Agoda. If you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or even a quick weekend getaway, Agoda makes it simple to reserve a hotel room online from the comfort of your home. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete booking process so you can confidently secure your stay in just a few minutes. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Agoda official website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a search section where you can enter your travel details. In the destination field, type the city, area, or property name where you want to stay. Agoda will automatically show suggestions from the drop-down menu, helping you quickly select the correct location. Next, move to the calendar section to choose your travel dates. Click on your intended check-in date first, then select your check-out date. Be sure to double-check the dates before continuing, especially if you're booking during holidays or peak travel seasons. After selecting your dates, update the number of rooms and guests according to your travel needs. This section allows you to specify how many adults or children will be staying, making it easier to find accommodations that fit your group comfortably. Once all the information is complete, click the search button to view available hotel options. Agoda will display a list of properties matching your preferences. You can browse through the hotels, compare prices, and choose the option that best suits your budget and travel style. When you find a hotel you like, click the Book Now button to continue. Before finalizing your reservation, take a moment to review the hotel details carefully. Agoda provides useful information such as guest reviews, room photos, available amenities, and any special arrangements offered by the property. Reading these details can help you make a more informed decision. To proceed with your booking, click the button that takes you to the final reservation page. In the Payment section, open the Payment Method menu and choose the option you prefer. Agoda supports several payment methods, including card payments and flexible installment services in selected regions. If available, you may also see options that allow you to reserve now and pay later. Carefully enter your payment details and review your booking information one last time. Once everything looks correct, click the Final Booking button to confirm your reservation. Agoda will then send a confirmation message or email containing all your booking details, which you should save for future reference. And that's how you can book a hotel room online using Agoda. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.